Hi there, welcome to the GridMate Learning channel. Today, we will be demonstrating the flow grids that GridMate provides. This Lightning components enable you to view, select, and edit a collection of records. In this tutorial, we will set up a flow to select a list of contacts and add them as a list of contact roles, with the ability to specify the role of each contact directly from the flow. Let's get started. First, go to an opportunity. As you can see, there are currently no contact roles. Click Add Roles. Then select an account and click Next. Here you will see the contact details. Select the contact that you want from the list. Then hit Next. From here, you can select the roles and define if they are primary or not. Once you have made your selections, click Next. Now, you will see the contact roles added. Thank you for watching.